Myself A. Rajshekaran, and she is my wife P.V. Vasantamani. We are parents of our proud R. Sudarsanan, who is a student of FIITJEE Ranchi since 8th standard, and for the past 6 years he has been studying in FIITJEE Ranchi. And earlier we came to know of FIITJEE Ranchi through the school, wherein regular exams of FIITJEE Ranchi used to be conducted, and he had also given the FTRE exam through which he was qualified, and we are proud that FIITJEE had given him the scholarship for studies also. So FIITJEE, we thank FIITJEE for giving financial support as well as guidance for his education also. My son R. Sudarsanan, since he has studied for 6 years in FIITJEE Ranchi, could qualify NTSC exam as well as KVPY exams. As he has qualified NTSC, he has got NTSC scholarships also, and still he is getting the scholarship. During the period of study in FIITJEE Ranchi, he has been provided with the guidance of the basic principles of each and every subject, namely physics, maths, chemistry, every subject, and by which he could accomplish the basic fundamentals of each subject and the principles. So he never goes through a book and then starts mugging it up. It is the fundamentals, he understands it, and by which he never fears to attend any competitive exams, due to which he has qualified many Olympiads, namely chemistry, physics, and whenever he sits for any competitive exam, maximum time he scores very high marks. So this credit goes to FIITJEE Ranchi.
When my son was in class 11, FIITJEE Ranchi invited all the parents, and they have selected the top 30 children, and then they made as a special group. Then they have started teaching it, and in this group all students were very bright students, and every time they'll be have different type of face test, class test, and then assignment test. In all that, I could see each boys will be having a competitiveness in them, and they used to get every time they score good marks with the guidance of faculty members of FIITJEE. And I could see the development in my son. Every time he is not at all fear for any of the test. He used to score good marks, and I have the habit that all the test marks I used to maintain in a diary, and whenever the exams are over, he used to come and calculate the marks with the answer sheet, and sometimes he feel happy, and sometimes he used to say I should improve again. And that type of competitiveness happened in FIITJEE Ranchi by writing all the tests. And I would like to give an advice to other parents also. The spirit should be in the student also, as well as they should cooperate with the faculty members, and they should be feeling free to ask all the doubts so that they can get good marks and they can fulfill their goal.
My personal experience after putting my son in FIITJEE Ranchi is that we have seen that many parents are worried where to put their wards for better education and better guidance. I have seen many people going to different locations for tuitions or for guidance with different teachers, wherein individual subjects are being taught. The main criteria for a student is that he should be having enough time to cope up with his studies after his school period. Now the time management is very important. FIITJEE gives this opportunity wherein all subjects are taught in under one umbrella, and during the day the faculties are available for all subjects, wherein the student can stay back and clarify his doubts with respect to any of the subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, or even for biology also. Biology is not taught in FIITJEE, but even then we had an opportunity of discussing with the faculty, wherein they had brought arranged teachers, and where biology was also taught during 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. With this, my son R. Sudarsanan has qualified many of the Olympiads and also secured very good percentage of mark in CBSE 12th exam, that is 94.6 percentage, which is because of the guidance provided by FIITJEE as well as the school. And he has also got a good mark in JEE mains and also qualified for JEE advanced, and he has got his desired very good high mark in the JEE advanced. For this I thank FIITJEE Ranchi. Thank you, FIITJEE.